The seed you sow is the fruit you shall reap. The sins of the parent visit the children deep. Evildoers think them throne secure, but your judgment make it crumble for sure.
Chant it down, cry it down.
Wickedness will fall to the ground.
Chant it down, cry it down.
Just see the tears, fire and brimstone.
Chant it down, cry it down.
Just fire burn the evil sound.
Chant it down, cry it down.
Fire burn the evil sound. The rich man feast while poor man cry, but joy watching from the sky. The widow, the orphan, the innocent youth, Jah rise them up in the glory of truth. The stone the builder refused became the cornerstone of just truth. Who Jah bless, no man curse. Jah voice thunder, the wicked shall hear it first. Jah punish the evildoers, exposing all the hidden rulers. From generation to generation, wrath of Jah shake every nation. For all you sow is all you reap. Jah vengeance strong, his justice deep. Cry it down, Jah Rastafari, let the truth be known. All wickedness I go tumble down. Babylon shall see the face of Jah. Cry it down. Rastafari is a witness to the countdown. Tick, tick, tock the clock. Judgment call on my oppressors. Just truth will be known. The seed you sow
Seed you sow.
is the fruit you reap. The sins of the parent, the children inherited deep. But who Jah bless,
No man curse.
Jah judgment reign upon the earth. Much love to exceptional music, J.A. You bring conscious reggae music to everyone.